Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to center and middle align text in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here on my sheet. Now I go to insert menu. Now insert a text box. Then write anything in this text box. Now I center and middle align text on in Excel on this text box. Select this text box, then go to home menu. Now you can see here are align option. Now I align middle align, then I center align. Now you can see, now make it bigger on this text. Now you can see I center and middle align text in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.